Hi.
Hi.
Hello, good evening. I forgot my headphone. Can you rotate your camera? All right. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Wait for a while. I will change my name here. Did you put an echo? That's why our voice. Did you?
What? No,
We
I
have
didn't.
second voice. Why is that? Hello?
I don't know.
There's an echo. Did you loudspeaker our...
No.
Okay, wait for a while. Hello?
Yes.
All right, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right, so can we start?
Okay.
All right. Oh, there's an echo. I don't know why. You are very tired. Why is that? Your face is very tired.
Because go
What did you
home
do?
because I want to sleep because I'm
Yes,
very tired. I learn a lot of.
that's why. Okay, wait for a while. There's an echo. Can you hear that?
No.
When I'm talking, wait for a while.
Wait a minute. Wait me a minute.
Hello? There's an echo. Hello?
Yes.
I don't know what happened to my headphone. Hello. Hi. Oh my God. There's an echo, but it's okay. All right, so can we start our class?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Wow. All right, so our lesson tonight, it's all about grammar 3.
Okay.
Can you hear the echo after me? Someone is talking?
No.
Mm. I don't know what happened, but let's continue. Unit 10, present continuous and present simple.
Page 50. Presentation.
Peter, wait. I want to try on these jeans.
Oh, not again. Shopping with you isn't fun.
They're gorgeous. I'd like to buy them, but I haven't got all the money. Can you lend me £20, please?
Okay, but I want it back.
Thanks, Peter. I love shopping with Peter.
I hate shopping with Lucy.
All right. Peter, wait, I want to try on these jeans. Oh, not again. Shopping with you isn't fun. They're gorgeous. I'd like to buy them, but I haven't got all the money. Can you lend me 20, please? Okay, but I want it back. I love shopping with Peter. I hate shopping with Lucy. And then, thanks, Peter. Okay, next. Task 1, complete the tables. Okay,
Which
complete
meaning?
the...
Thằng kia đập vào nó quánh bây giờ. Okay, complete. Okay.
All right, so complete the tables. Shopping, skateboarding, cycle. This, fun, cool, then my favorite sports.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right, your answer is painting, singing, reading. Okay, very good. Next. All right.
Okay.
Right, painting, singing, reading. I'd love to. I want to. Okay, next we have task 2. Read the information.
Okay.
ing form. We use the ing form of the verb like a noun as the subject of the sentence. Swimming is my favorite sport. After adjectives with prepositions, Peter's not interested in shopping. I'm very bad at math. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
After the verb, like enjoy, love, and hate. I love dancing. I hate doing my homework. Verbs followed by to plus infinitive. We use to plus the infinitive form of the verb after these verbs. Would like, I'd like. Would love, I'd love. I'd like to buy t-shirt. I don't want to go home. Task 3, complete the ing form of the verb. Then circle yes or no. All right, so you are done. Number 1, skating. 2, swimming. 3, fishing. 4, walking. 5, playing. 6, skiing. Then surfing. Then jumping. All right, look. When we add ing to some verbs, the spelling changes. Dance, dancing, swim, swimming. All right, so here, like, love, and hate. Play chess, listen to music, do sport, and dance. All right, look and write, then complete the table and write about you.
Diana hates playing chess. Steve love like likes listening to music. Diana like doing sport. No. Diana love đúng rồi. Diana likes doing sport. Steve hates dancing. Diana loves listening to music.
All
Steve
right.
loves doing sport. I love dancing. I like playing chess. Okay.
All right, your answer, you will write here in the right side.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
No, you can continue. I fix my laptop because when I talk, also someone is following. Hello, 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 hello. All right, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Elena, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Elena,
Yes.
can you hear me, Elena?
Yes, I can.
Elena, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
This one, you can't hear me?
Yes.
This one. Hello? Can you hear me?
Very well. Yes, very well.
Oh, I can't hear you when I... Can you hear me?
Yes.
Elena? Hello? Oh, what happened? Something is...
Okay.
All right, let's check your answer. So we have Diane hates playing chess. Steve likes listening music. Diane likes doing sport. Steve hates dancing. Diane loves listening to music. Then Steve loves doing sport. I love dancing. I like playing. All right, very good. You are correct, Elena. Next, we have, okay. All right, so let's continue. Task 6, choose and write, then put a tick or cross in the box. Correct the full sentences. Is that clear, Elena?
Yes.
Elena?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Hello? All right, so again, choose and write. Then put a tick or crossed in the box. Correct the full sentences. Yes, I can't hear you, but if I mute my headphone so that the echo will gone, I can't hear you. I don't know what happened. Why is someone is following my voice? Okay. Okay, about at, in, off, on, with. Okay. Number 1.
Bốn lăm mới xong. Okay.
Next.
Okay, mom, it's done. Okay.
All right, so my friends are very keen playing computer games. I'm good at drawing. My cousin interested in studying history. I'm bad at writing stories. My best friend is crazy about cooking. I'm not very fond of painting. I'm very keen on learning about computers. Then I'm bored about with watching cartoon on TV. Task 7, read, choose, and complete. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so I'd like to have this jeans, please. I'd like to go camping in the holidays. I want to, all right, I don't want to work. My brother would love to visit. My mom wants to buy. My brother doesn't want to do, and my friend and I would like to stay. All right, stay. All right, now writing practice. So let's practice writing. All right, task 9, read and choose and write. Okay, all right, difference. Thin link. You need to answer this. Elena,
Yeah.
after 40 minutes, you will enter again the class for another 5 minutes so that the total is 45 minutes.
Okay.
Because my Zoom Pro is not yet fixed. That's why.
À, okay.
All right. So number 1 we have
English.
is very good at making friends. Then number 2 and telling jokes. Then we have also, all right, loves playing football and wants to be. He also enjoys flying and hates. Then I'd love to ride. Okay, very good. You are perfect, Elena. All right, homework. All right, right questions and true answers. Hello.
Bố đâu rồi? Ừ. Ừ. Very hard to see. Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
I think when I write, it's very hard to see. Do you want me to read it?
No. Just send in the messenger.
Okay. Let me see. If I like this email to your friends enjoy writing email to you. Just your mom your mom like shopping. Does your dad does your dad like to do you enjoy going to shop? Do you enjoy going to okay.
All
I'm
right, so
done.
I will read your answer. All right, don't forget to re-enter again in our class, Elena. So do your friends enjoy writing emails? Does your mom like shopping? Does your dad like swimming? Do you enjoy going to the park? Okay, very good, Elena. Okay, next, let's proceed to another. Okay, task 2, can you please?
Correct.
All right.
Circle the correct words.
Task 2, we have circled the correct words.